Tapos para na-mention niya sa akin na even in his previous relationships, parang he finds it hot or he finds he finds it arousing.
It's my kink.
It's his kink
kink.
na if he sees his girlfriend be with other men.
Yeah.
You know?
Like having sex with other.
Talaga?
Oo, na he likes seeing his partner having sex with other partners.
Okay.
And parang nung nalaman ko yun, parang, this is like, that's the first time I actually met someone who is enthusiastic about that. You
Okay.
know? And alam ko na, given my preferences, ganong klaseng tao lang yung kaya kong, ganong klaseng tao lang yung kaya kong to build a relationship with. Tapos nung nakilala ko siya, I was like, ooh, that's really interesting.
So
That's,
it worked well between us.
yeah, that's really kasi parang I don't have to compromise anything about myself and about my sexuality to fit him or to be in a relationship with him. Kasi kung ano ako, yun yung nakakapagpa-arouse sa kanya eh. Yun yung trip niya eh.
So ikaw, di mo rin kayang maging monogamous. Tama?
Oh, pero parang like what I said earlier, na parang pinagdaanan ko na lahat. So parang kung may babae, parang hindi na rin ako masyadong attracted. Parang mas na lang ako sa kanya. So if she's
Gets
gonna
ko yan.
sleep with other guys and have fun and ganun lang naman she's not like gonna have a relationship with them or anything. So it's my kink, so I might as well go with it.
Yeah.
So pero sa akin kasi parang wala na yung, ako naman magbababae din, hindi na parang
Which is parang tingin ko hindi na rin, no?
Yeah.
wala.
Oo,
Ang daming
tibay mo
minsan
naman
sa
kung talaga ng babae pa pa ngayon. Ang taga...
Kasi meron nga ngayon, mga bata pa sa Facebook magme-message, "Hi daddy, hi dad, I watch your ganito, napanood kita sa ako
Oh, yung mga,
tindi.
yung mga
Nakita nila
DMs
sa-
niya, it's like young gay men or
young gay
really
men
young
or
women.
young women.
Yeah.
Oh.
When you say young women, how young?
Naman, I feel like naman kung
Mga 20s, gano'n.
yeah, I would say 20s. Kasi tsaka kung naman kung meron namang minor na na-identify namin na kumakausap sa kanya, we're not gonna even entertain that, you know.
Okay.
So
20s?
yeah.
Mga gano'n.
Hindi.
Tsaka ito, gusto ko lang i-share, may mga mga kapwa Viva Max artist din na trip siya. Na nagpaparamdam. Which is, honestly, like I said, I'm non-monogamous. If he chooses to go that route, wala rin naman akong pake.
Kwento mo naman sa akin.
Wala, ayoko rin sabihin yung pangalan.
Oo, wag na natin
Parang
pangalan,
ano naman sa akin ng
delikse.
walang man.
Pero may iilan.
Oo.
Girls, I see you.
Okay.